Ever had that check engine light pop on while driving? One sneaky culprit could be your throttle body. Today, we'll break down what it is, where it's hiding, and how to spot trouble. Stick around. Your engine needs air to breathe, and the throttle body is like its lungs. It's a valve between your air filter and intake manifold, controlling how much air gets in. Press the gas pedal, and the throttle body opens up to let more air in. More air, more power. Back in the day it was mechanical. A cable pulled the valve open. Simple. But now, most cars use electronic throttle bodies with sensors and an ECU, engine control unit, calling the shots. The ECU calculates how much to open the throttle based on air temperature, engine speed, and pedal position. Think of the throttle body as the muscle and the ECU as the brain. They work together for smooth performance. Without it, your car would stall, chug, or crawl like a snail. This little component is a big deal. Wondering where to find the throttle body? Pop the hood and follow the big tube from your air filter box. It leads right to it. It's usually bolted to the intake manifold, looking important. Newer cars might have plastic covers hiding it. Just pop those off carefully. Before poking around, make sure the engine's cool. No burns, please. While you're there, check the air filter. If it's clogged, replace it. Clean air is key. A little inspection goes a long way. There are two types of throttle bodies, mechanical and electronic. Mechanical ones are simple. A cable connects the gas pedal to the throttle plate. Press the pedal, and the plate opens. Electronic throttle bodies are more complex, with sensors and actuators. The ECU decides how much to open the throttle based on various readings. It's precise, optimizing air-fuel mixture for better performance and fuel economy. You might think, why complicate things? The old system worked fine. True, but electronics bring advantages. They enable features like traction and stability control, making cars safer and more efficient. Sure, they're more complex, but they make modern cars run smoother and smarter. So, whether mechanical or electronic, the throttle body is essential for your car's performance. It's a small part with a big job. Keep it in good shape, and your car will thank you. Let's move on to spotting trouble. Like any car part, the throttle body wears out over time. Dirt, grime, and sensor issues can cause problems. Signs of trouble? Rough or high idling, hesitation when accelerating, or even stalling at low speeds. If your car feels sluggish or unpredictable, the throttle body might be the culprit. Another clue? Poor fuel economy. If your car's guzzling gas, it's worth checking out. These symptoms are your car's way of saying, help, don't ignore them. Addressing issues early can save you headaches later. A little maintenance can go a long way. Let's talk about what your car might be trying to tell you. A check engine light is your car's SOS. Hook up a code reader to see what's wrong. Common codes: P0121 signals a throttle position sensor issue, while P2111 means the throttle actuator is stuck open. These codes point to throttle body problems, but there are others too. If you see these, it's time to investigate. Don't ignore the check engine light. It's your car's way of asking for help. Addressing issues early can prevent bigger problems down the road. A quick scan can save you time and money. Let's move on to fixing the problem. Start with a visual inspection of your throttle body. Look for loose connections or carbon buildup. Cleaning is beginner-friendly. Use cleaner, a brush, and rags. Reassemble and reconnect the battery. Regular cleaning prevents bigger issues. The throttle body is small but mighty. Don't let it cause big headaches. If you notice rough idling, hesitation, or other symptoms, get it checked out. Preventative maintenance, like cleaning the throttle body and replacing the air filter, can save you trouble. A well-maintained car is a happy car. Take care of it, and it'll take care of you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.